Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Stylist Lee, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do microlinks on relaxed hair. So keep watching. Thank you guys for tuning in today, and as you guys know, it's been a while since I posted. I have been very busy, and I know you guys hear that all the time, but honestly and truly, I have been busy. I actually have a couple of product lines that I have been working on, and one of those lines I actually want to share with you guys today is a luxury line for freelance artists. I say freelance artists. What freelance artist means to me, when I think of a freelance artist, I think of a hairstylist, I think of a makeup artist, I think of an esthetician, I think of a nail tech, anyone who can be called for house calls. You know, there's times where we go in for house calls and we're put in situations where we are really uncomfortable, and it's pretty much situations where it's hard for us to be able to accommodate our clients. And the whole purpose of Voodoo Card is to basically make a freelance artist experience that's a little bit better and a little bit more easier to work in their workspace. I wanted to create a line, matter of fact, a holster, not just a line. I wanted to create a holster to help freelance artists to be able to assess all their necessary tools while they're working. And it was originally designed for me, but as I got so many compliments and people was asking me where I got it from, and after talking with my husband, he thought it would be a great idea for me to share it with the world and my peers, other people who are freelance artists just like me. This is the holster. I specifically designed this holster to be able to hold all your accommodating tools. And when I say accommodating tools, we have pockets in the back for shears, combs, makeup brushes. Also, we have a pocket here for your hairspray, spritz, bottles. We also have two accessible pockets here for, it can be pomade, it can be hair fibers, it can be just more room for your combs, your brushes, your paddle brush. If you have a small bottle of a spritz bottle, you can put it here. I wanted to share with you guys a few people who are actually enjoying my new product line that I've launched actually this year, more so. I launched it this year, and I've been getting pretty much good response from my peers. They like it. You guys are wondering, it goes for $2.99 and it's on pre-order right now. So basically I'm accepting pre-orders, and it takes I'm asking that you guys give me at least 21 days to get it out to you. You may be able to get it sooner than that, but allow me at least 21 days. And right now it comes in natural black. I do have a limited edition. You guys can actually check it out on voodoocard.com. And basically with the limited edition, it comes in navy blue, and you guys can go there and if you guys want to check that out. But right now the original color is black. I think it's very clean, it's very chic, it's a nice smooth finish. When you open your bag, you're gonna smell the leather when you open it. It's like, that's how fresh this mug is. So I'm looking forward to getting you guys to speed. We have another product that's going to be coming out soon for my hairstylist professionals who are in the weave game, but I'm not quite ready to share that with you guys just yet. But be on the lookout for some other videos, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be showing you that too as well. So if you guys haven't had time to check out my microlink video on natural hair, I want you guys to go ahead and swing right over here and check out my microlink services on natural hair. And basically here are the tips that I give you guys, give you the specs, the ins and outs on what to expect, and you guys are gonna like that video. Also, if you haven't seen the video on my braidless installation and what's the difference between microlink services and braidless installations, then you might want to check out this video right here. There's a big difference. A lot of people contact me and they're inquiring about microlink services, and when I hit them with that price, they think I'm trying to rob them, but I'm not. It's a different service. Microlink services takes approximately 6 to 8 hours to do to accomplish a full installation service. A braidless installation service, that typically takes about 2.5, maybe 3 hours, depending on the density of the client's head and the style that you guys are going for. Not only that, that's done on a weft basis. So basically what a weft is a track. What your hair comes on the track when you get a sew in. It's on a weft, and you attach it with micro links. It's not the same as micro links. Micro links is a strand by strand technique that is customizable to each individual client, attaching it to strands in your head throughout the whole service. Big difference. And as you guys can, just off of that description that I gave you, now you kind of have an understanding on why it takes so long to do. So every time I tell someone it's going to take about 7 to 8 hours, they are confused. I thought it was going to take like 2 hours. I'm like, this is not the same microlink service that you guys are thinking about. Microlink services can range between $900 to $3,000 and maybe even more, depending on the salon professional that you're going to, and also the years of experience and education that they're going to be providing you, and the service they're going to be providing you, all that, and geographically, all that plays a part in cost of service. So you can't compare each salon professional with the other salon professional, because you may not get the same service that you're paying for. But I'm going to be showing you guys what we're going to be doing today. So today I have a relaxed client. She is freshly relaxed. We relaxed her a week ago, so she is fresh. Only thing that we're going to do today to prep her for this service is shampoo her, blow dry her up, and make sure that we condition her. She's already trimmed. Everything is pretty much done. All we have to do is install her. So what we're going to be doing on her is my seamless microlinks installation. If you guys do not know what seamless means, is this basically means that my microlinks are really small, and she's going to be getting a lot of these bad boys installed in her head, versus if you check out the video that I was telling you about with the natural microlinks, you'll see the difference on how flat the seamless microlinks lay to the scalp, and you'll also see the difference in density too as well. So with the natural hair microlinks, you'll notice that it's a little bit more fuller, it's a little bit more bigger, but you'll also notice that the links are a little bit more thicker, versus with the seamless microlinks, they lay a little bit more flatter to the scalp. You have to use more links, but you can still get the same amount of fullness and movement, and it still looks just as realistic. A lot of the ladies who get microlinks that are seamless is usually my Caucasian clients, my Latino clients, and my clients who have relaxed hair. For girls who like to get microlinks who are not relaxed and have no chemical services, then I usually tend to recommend them to my natural hair microlinks. But keep in mind, all hair is not created equal. I do not do microlinks on every individual. Your hair does have to be in a certain condition. It has to be pretty healthy. I have to kind of know your lifestyle, do this service on everybody. And also it depends on your curl pattern too as well. If you're a really coarse curly girl, 9 times out of 10, I'm probably not going to do the service on you, because it is a strong possibility that it can dread up, and I don't want to cause that much pain on you or me. So it's very important that you get a salon professional's consultation. No matter what area you're in, a consultation is always vital when getting a service like this. So I'm going to be showing you guys today the seamless microlinks. So the seamless microlinks, they're very thin. When I say thin, it's crazy thin. Look how thin that is. Very thin. So you can kind of get a gist of why it's going to take so long to do, just off of that little bit of strand. And I'm going to put the same amount of strand attached to it and attach it with a link. So if you guys can see in this video, so this is the espresso, and this is the just black, just jet black. So my client, she has a combination of 2 different variations of color in her head. So her hair is black, but in the sun it kind of looks brown. It's all over the place. So what we're gonna do, I went ahead, this is 16 inches by the way. I went ahead and got her 2 different colors, and we're basically are gonna mix those colors up, customizing it to kind of give her a perfect match to what her hair is probably most likely going to look like when she's in the sun and when she's indoors. So we want to make sure we customize that to a T, because we want her to look perfect. We don't want no one to know that she has these extensions in. That's not the purpose of this installation. And one of the reasons why she's getting this install is because she has a lot of sensitivity with sew-ins. and we've done a sew-in on her before. Although my sew-ins don't hurt, I think just the fact of her being restricted with braids and then not being able to access her scalp, it tends to irritate her a little bit. And she wants to be able to have the freedom to get underneath there and scratch and be able to cleanse and have the ability to just kind of do whatever she wants and basically feel the air on her scalp. She wants that freedom. So we went ahead and suggested the seamless microlink service for her. This will be her first time receiving a microlink service. So she's really excited on what to expect, and I can't wait to hear her response on once it's finished. So I won't keep you guys any longer. I've been talking enough. However, I'm going to go ahead and start with the video, and I'm going to show you guys her before, a little bit of the process, and then her after. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And like I said, if you guys want to catch up and you want a little bit more information on what's the difference between microlinks, braidless sew-ins, check out the other video that I posted before this one. And also check out my braidless sew-in installation and a couple of other my weave installs. I try to give you a little bit of a description and information and education on what each service is and what's the benefit of each service. So I hope you guys find that very helpful. So stay tuned, and I look forward to showing y'all the results of this bad thing.